it's a disadvantage of our profession. I'm teacher. So I'm used to staying.
Exactly. Me too.
First of all, I thank Rico for giving me this opportunity. My mother tongue is Marathi. I did my MA in Marathi. So I may fumble for words while speaking English. So please excuse me. It gives me a great opportunity to present before you synopsis of my book, Career Now. The book is in Marathi and has been published by a publisher from Kolhapur. The problem with local publisher, the sale is limited and they don't force any people to buy this book. So the books lie in their shelf. But if you have a publisher outside Goa, non-Goan, he has a bigger market. Now 500 copies were published. Not a single copy is remaining with the publisher. So this book was published under a scheme. We have one academy, one in Konkani, and we have academy for Marathi, for encouraging Marathi language. They support writers. They select your script, and if the script is good, they provide you finance. So this was published under that scheme. There is one more scheme wherein the academy publishes your book. They don't pay you, but they publish your book. So my another book has been selected this year, but that is of different topic. Now what Rico had mentioned, now certain section of Goan writer is not known to Marathi speaking people. And with humble this I should say that I was the one who introduced certain English writer in Goan to Marathi speakers.
You had a column,
and
no?
Rico is one of them.
He had a column
Edward,
in a newspaper.
Yeah, Edward Delima, the second person. So these were few persons whom I had introduced to my column. But this column was started in a paper called Navaprabha. It's a sister concern of Naveen Times. And at that time, Mr. Suresh Walve, he was the editor. Now he's a media head of our CM. When he told me to write something about career, normally the person who are writing column of this kind, they just give you information. For example, if you want to pursue career in any field, they will first write criteria, which institution will give you this diploma and degree. Only that way. So that becomes a routine sort of column. But my column was a different. Like for example, if I had to write about pharmacy, I will contact a person who has done his career in pharmacy, and I will interview him, publish his photo, give his information, his what are these advantages through his angle, and then what are the qualifications required and what is the present scenario. This was the nature of my column. So earlier my contract was for 50 writer, so per week one. But the editor liked it very much and he extended it up to 150. So I have interviewed 150 people only from Goa, from different fields. And now second book, which will be published by Art and Culture, that will cover another section. Now this book carries only 52 personalities of different faculty, different like from teachers to pharmacists, animation and all these activities which you can do by staying in Goa. In Goa there are 6.5 lakh non-Goans. Now why these non-Goans come to Goa? That shows there is potentiality as far as employment is concerned. Otherwise no one would have come here. So that was my point. And my point was to stress that our locals can pursue career in this field. Many a time they are not aware that this type of careers can be developed in Goa. For example, web designer. We have a local from Margao who is very much established in this web design. Now of late, a person from Polwal who is settled in Mapsa, he is doing profession which is very much new to Goa. First time it is introduced to Goa. He is supplying boards, electronic boards, where you can present your demonstration. He is the only person who is doing this business in Goa.
Boats.
Yeah.
Boards.
And boards.
Yeah. Boards. So these things are new to section of Goa. So I'm sure for the first time this type of things were published in Marathi. Then besides requirement in the field, I have interviewed person who were successful in that field. Otherwise, it would have been a routine career information column. Now I have started similar column in Sunapran, and this is in Devanagari Konkani. So this is my second article which is published. This is Sunapran, the only Konkani newspaper.
Daily. Daily.
Yeah, it's
To
a daily.
naam untalo. Father naam untalo. Daily. Only
No, in
Konkani daily.
Devanagari.
In daily. Daily.
Ah,
It's only daily.
Okay.
This is the weekly.
Yeah, this is the column career. The first,
It's only daily. Yeah.
yeah, this is the second issue.
Just started.
This is
Just
Yeah,
started.
just started.
It's
Very
just the
good.
column. This is the no.
No, this one.
This side. This side.
Bring this picture. You see this picture? Oh, here. It's easy.
Now, the books which are discussed here, no one is aware of it. So my attempt will be to introduce this book to Marathi section.
Hmm.
So if you permit me, because the system prevailing in Goa, as far as Marathi papers are concerned, when you publish your book, you submit, you give one complimentary copy to the editor.
Yeah, yeah.
So if there is complimentary copy, he will oblige to write introduction part of the book. Otherwise, they don't bother.